Hi guys, in this lesson we're going to use another business theme, okay? So right now the theme we're using is advanced, okay? But the theme that we're going to use next is called virtue, okay? That's VIRTUE, okay? So now let's go back to the dashboard, then go to appearance and then click themes, okay? So now let's click add new and then go to the search box and type virtue, okay? So this is the Virtue theme. Alright, so click install. Okay, so once it's installed, let's click activate. Okay, so now it's activated. Alright, so next we need to go to the appearance section and then go to install plugins. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Install plugins. Okay, and then you can see here there's a cadence toolkit. So click that box. Okay, and then click install. Okay, so Cadence Toolkit is still installing. Okay, so once that's installed, click here, return to required plugins installer. Okay, so just click that, and it will bring us back to the Cadence Toolkit. Okay, so now again, click this box, the Cadence Toolkit, and then click activate. Okay, because we still need to activate it. Okay, so now that's working. You see here the URL. Okay, and the address bar. Okay, so we're going to remove this extra, okay, this themes.php blah blah blah, okay? So what is going to remain is digitalbooks.club slash wp dash admin, okay? So click enter, okay? Because that will refresh our dashboard, okay? Okay, just click enter. And once the dashboard is refreshed, let's go to appearance and then you will see a theme options, okay? Theme options. So click theme options. Okay. All right. So okay, once we're in here, let's go to home slider settings. Okay. If you see here, click home slider settings. Okay. Just scroll down and then you click new slide. Okay. All right. So now let's upload a picture. So just click upload and then we're gonna choose here a picture and then click select. Okay. So this is the slider. Okay, so let us scroll down and then click here, save changes. Okay, this blue button, click save changes. Okay, so let's just refresh our website. Okay, so the home slider is still not activated. Okay, so let's go back here again and then let us activate it, okay, by going here. You see here, choose a home image slider. Okay, so and here's a box to select an item, so just click that and then choose full width slider. Okay, so let's click save changes again and then click refresh. Okay, let's refresh our website, and as you can see, there is the slider already. Okay, but we want to put some words here. Okay, so we can do that by putting a title. Okay, so let's just put there. Okay, and then on the description we can put world class expertise. Okay, so we can also choose to put a link here. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to put a link or a URL. So for example, we're gonna use this about us page. Okay, so let's just click this about us and then copy the link. Okay, so let's copy the URL on top and then put it here. Okay, and then we need to scroll down. Okay, and it says here show captions. Okay, this is very important. You need to click on. Okay, because if you don't click on, then the title professional experience world class expertise, it will not show. Okay, so you need to make sure that the show captions is set to on. Okay, now let's save the changes, and then let's refresh our home page. Okay, so now you can see there's the captions, professional experience, world class expertise, and if you click that, then it will redirect to the about us page. Okay, because that is the link that we set here. Okay, so here you can change any link. Okay, you can put any link you want. Okay, so that is how to put the home page slider. Okay, so now let's go to the home layout. Okay, so I recommend you, here there is disabled box and enabled box. Okay, so I recommend we just remove this, and then we just add the icon menu. Okay, we drag the icon menu to the enabled section. Okay, and then let's scroll down. Okay, so you will see here it says home icon menu. Okay, home icon menu, and then let's click this new icon, and then here is section that says select an icon. Okay, so let's select an icon, and then let's put some title and description. Okay, so let me just copy here some title and descriptions. Okay, so you can also put a link if you want, a URL where it will redirect, but it it's up to you. That's totally optional. Okay, so let's add another icon. Click add icon. Okay, so let's choose another icon. Mm, okay, so let's just copy the title and the description. Okay, and then I want to add another icon. Okay, so click another icon. So in total we will have 3 icons. Okay, so go here again to this select an icon box. Okay, and then let's choose an icon. Okay, so let me just copy the title and the description. Okay, okay, so now let's go here, click save changes. Okay, click the blue button on the bottom. Okay, so now let us refresh our home page. Okay, so as you can see, if below the image, okay, this is our menu icons. Okay, so this is expert teams, industry leader, customer service. Okay, so if you hover over it, it will change the color. Okay, so you can also set to put links. So if you click the link, it will redirect. Okay, so we can also do that. Okay, so for example, this is just an example. Let's copy the management link. Okay, so let's click the management page and then copy the URL, and then let's put it here on the expert teams. Okay, so you can also click open link in a new tab. Okay, that is another choice. Okay, so let's click save changes. Okay, so let's now refresh our home page and scroll down. So if you click here expert teams, okay, it goes to the management page. Okay, all right, so that is how it works. We also have an option to change these icons into pictures. Okay, we can also make that into pictures. So again, let's go back here on the home icon menu. Okay, so instead of an icon, just click this upload icon. Okay, click upload icon, and then choose a picture, then click select. Okay, so let's put an X here on the select an icon. Click the X. All right, and then here let's upload an icon again, but it's really a picture, not an icon. So click select. Okay, and then this one, customer service. Let's change that. Click select. And then click X here on the select icon. Okay, so click X here on the select icon. Okay, and then click save changes. Okay, so now let's refresh. So as you can see here, these are pictures already instead of icons. Okay, And if we click here, export themes, then it will redirect to the management page. Okay, so you can do that for all of the items here. Okay, and also if you notice that the font is small for the home, about us, management, the font is small. Okay, so we are going to adjust the font. Okay, so let's go back here, scroll up, and then let's go to basic styling. Okay, actually, here in basic styling, if you see, if you go back to our homepage, if you see this blue strip, okay, we can change the color. Okay, so let's go here to primary color, and then select a color. So let's choose red, and then click Save Changes. Okay, so once we refresh, you can see that the color is now red. Okay, so you can match that to use any color that you want. Okay, so let's try another color. Okay, let's try purple and then click Save Changes. Okay, and then let's refresh. Okay. Alright, so now let's go to menu settings. Okay, so this menu settings is where we can change the font size of the primary menu. Okay, so this is the primary menu. Okay, it's the one that says home, about us, management, business news, etc. Okay, so I find this size too small. So let's increase that to maybe 14. Okay, so here let's go in the primary menu font and go to font size. Okay, so maybe let's make it 16. Alright, so now click Save Changes. Okay, so now let's refresh it. Okay, so as you can see that the font is now bigger. Okay, and you can also change the font style. Okay, so there's Lato, Christie, Corona, etc. Alright, so that is how you use the Virtue theme. Okay, so let's just see here, business news. Okay, home. You can also set this here on the bottom. You can change this to blog post. Okay, so I'll just show you how. Alright, so back here, let's go to home layout, and then you can put latest blog post. Okay, here in the home page layout manager, you can drag this latest blog post to enabled. Okay, so let's save the changes, and then let's refresh. Okay, so you can see that there is blog posts here. Okay, but for me personally, I just like the icon menu. Okay, so save changes and then refresh. Okay, so basically that is how the Virtue theme works. Okay, so see you in the next video.